Hello everyone and welcome back to the Life's a Whirlwind channel. So oh my gosh, we have so many videos up already of day 1 of this Pigeon Forge trip. This starts day 2.
See people, if you drink too much Beverly, this is what it does to you.
Yes! Good man. Bags packed to around the run today. We're really on our way, yeah. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay. Soon we're on our way, yeah. And our friends sure will tag along, 'cause today.
Welcome to Tuesday, August 31st, 2020. It's a rainy day, which it's gonna rain all day because of Hurricane Ida. And I mean, what we had planned is inside anyway, but oh my gosh, how did I not notice this? So this water tower right here is actually a baseball. They've got it painted like a baseball. I've never noticed that before. So we only stayed one night. We have to get back because Skylan has to get ready to go on her study abroad trip. Oh, by the way, we ate there last night, so make sure you check out that video. And I just want to mention, if you do mention it, don't take little kids there. It's really not appropriate for little kids. But anyway, so we have a couple indoor things planned, and then I guess we are traveling home in the rain.
Before checking out of the room, we went down to their continental breakfast. You weren't allowed to serve yourself. They had someone there giving you the food that you asked for. Basically, hash browns, eggs, sausage.
The boys have came down to join us now. And then Skylan's like, I need coffee. So she went back up there. I see Lakelyn's biscuit, and now I wish I would have got a biscuit. That's just a pleasant sight.
No, that was not our hotel. That was right down the road.
People are just sickening. Really? You're going to throw a dirty diaper out? Just, gosh, lazy, gross people. Okay, we're going into a fun building. Look, cannon coming out of the side. Big old chains. Alright, Magic Quest. We're going to do some fun indoor blacklight pirate mini golf. Wow. Okay, so they have other things. Whole arcade, some like other game. Like wand game, but we're gonna do this.
Where do you want that?
You definitely probably need that one. I guess the rest of us will use this. R3, yeah. Oh wow, you scan your card and you get to pick a color. So Braiden picked, oh that's a cool color, I would have picked that. No, all three of ours are in one card. Man, and I would have picked pink. Skylan got that. What you gonna get? Lakelyn got yellow. I'm last. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. I love bright colors and stuff. So where's number 1? Oh, look at your, oh my, that is so creepy in the camera, Skylan.
That is kind of creepy. Oh, look at my shoes. That's cool.
Whoa. Oh, that is kind of cool.
I don't have anything glowing. Look at this.
Nope.
Besides,
Smile, maybe? With teeth?
Smile with teeth. We might, I think we're the only ones in here, which is really, really awesome. Oh, pirate music is playing. So by the way, this with tax was like $13.26 or something like that. This is really cool. Yeah, I like being the only one in here. But you gotta think, we're here at like 11:15 in the morning. first one, here we are. Skylan and I are back here. And then, I can't even tell what color that, whose is that? That's Lakeland's. Oh, that's Braiden's. And that's Lakelyn. All right, Lakelyn. Oh, Skylan, sorry, honey, I'm skipping you. If you pick pink and orange, they really look a lot alike in this light. Skylan got so close.
Oh my God.
No, that counts. You can't do that.
Yeah, you get to move it a distance.
You get to, yeah. Yes, you do. Like, I get to do it because I'm up against the wall. If I wanted to. Oh, no. It really grabs.
That carpet is super.
Yeah, it's really hard to tell if there's a hill or how grabby the carpet is. No way, Braiden. All right. Well,
Oh, boy.
That was not really helpful. Lakeland says this is going to be easy. So there's a hill that goes up here. So Lakeland, what are you going to do?
If you go to the left, you're screwed. No, you can go.
So Skylan got stuck there. You can go underneath, but the hole is over there. So what's Lakeland gonna do? Think it out.
You gotta give me some power.
Oh no! Yeah. Oh, that is so unfair, poor Skylan.
Let's go.
That was so awful. Y'all should see Sky. You're back at the beginning.
That's funny.
Oh my gosh.
You just gotta give me those.
Oh, and Braiden's went way in the other room through those doors. You don't get to do a redo on that one. Yeah, you gotta hit it from there. I'm glad nobody else was around. This is terrible. This is an awful hole. Skylan landed out. Lakeland at least did something nice. Where'd he go? Oh. So look, guys, the dog has the key.
Let's go.
That looks familiar. Did you just get a hole in one?
Easy.
It was an easy one. I won't get a hole in one, but yeah, they got the whole dog with the key pirate theme here. Just noticed a person coming out of the ceiling. I really love the theming in here. I'm even more happy that we're the only ones in here. That really makes a difference. Lakeland's down there investigating. It finally went. It took him 4 tries just to get it through one of those. It kept bouncing back. That's 5. Poor Lakeland. He was actually doing really good into this hole. So you can actually go up on the ship here. And I'm gonna try and get a picture. Okay, this is a unique one. That's the hole over there. But yeah, really neat theming. I love this. 2 holes. You can get it in either one. Oh, no, it comes down that one. And then it comes down. Oh my God. Lakeland got a hole in one. So now Braiden and Lakeland each have gotten a hole in one.
I wonder if it just if you get it in there.
Uh-oh, let's see what happens. Nope, Braiden wasn't quite hard enough.
Okay, which one is that? I lost it.
All right.
Guys. I found it.
Let's see what happens with Skylan. Here we go. All right. When you walk up to hole 11, it's censored and a pirate will talk to you like it's motion activated. That's the word I'm looking for. All right, this is Skylan's hole. Number 12, this is the one to make a hole in one. 12 is her lacrosse number. So you got this. She had 12 in high school and she was able to get 12 in college too. All right, and that's the one Skylan did the worst on. Did I jinx you, Skylan?
While they are taking their turns, I'm going back to the ship to take a closer look because I never went up in it.
Wow, this is very, very narrow. Cool. There's motion sensor over there too with the cannon. And of course this says East India Trading Company. Fortune teller. Just noticed that says Shark's Head Tavern. Okay, so the last hole is actually outside. This was number 17. Oh, the bright light. Thank you. And so this is hole 18. Oh, so it doesn't matter. I mean, this is the end. Oh, okay, got you. Okay, I see. So if you get it in the middle, hole in one, you get it on either side, you get 2. So Lakelyn, let's see what he does. Hole in one. Lakelyn got a hole in one, but it's stuck. Alright, it counts. Skylan, then you can start adding yours up. Skylan, hole in one! I won't get it, I'm going to tell you now. I'm not good at this. Alright, Braiden. Braiden, who started off really strong, like beating us, he kind of got worse as it went on.
Two.
I told you I would not get a hole in one. All right, game's over. Pirate golf. It was really fun. So Lakelyn and I tied for first with 44. Braiden got 45 and Skylan got 46. And Braiden was really beating us for the longest time. Okay, I'm gonna drive around to that section when we leave because I just noticed, like, what's up with that? It's like just the tops of things sitting in the parking lot. There's also a large dragging coming out of the building. So these things have something to do with this. Okay, I love this. I'm gonna have to have a picture right here. Question is, does this open? Nope, it does not. Okay, so there's the golf right there because I remember looking at the curtains, the light would come in. So I'm just curious what these were, what they did with those. I'm gonna have to do like some research because they look very similar to that. Lakelyn just figured it out. He looked up and they were up there, like they're turrets, they're the covers, but they look like that they're fixing them because they got the foam on them. So that's so cool. Yeah, they're trying to fix them because they're damaged. Yeah, so that's why they're here. Looks like they had some type of flame signage somewhere too. Okay, I'm digging the mellow mushroom tables out here because they're like steampunkish. They're like all gears. That's what they're made out of. All right, so I've got 3 teens with me. So of course that means Starbucks. We came back to the island just for a bit. Skylan, there was a dress she wanted to get. And the boys went to do the mirror maze one more time because you can do it the day after you buy. Just the mirror maze part. And we have to head off because we have tickets to a magic show.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed, so we're on the run today.